Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for an English exam in one day. First, identify the most crucial components of your exam, such as grammar rules, vocabulary, and essay writing. Dedicate approximately 2 hours to reviewing past exam papers to familiarize yourself with question styles. Then, construct a realistic study timetable, allocating specific 30-minute slots for each subject area to maximize your efficiency and cover all essential topics within your one-day time frame. Next, let's tackle grammar and vocabulary. Spend about 90 minutes quickly reviewing fundamental grammar rules, paying close attention to common mistakes like subject-verb agreement or pronoun usage. Practice identifying different parts of speech and analyzing sentence structures. For vocabulary, concentrate on high-frequency words and common idioms that often appear in exams. Use flashcards or quick quizzes to reinforce your learning, aiming for a solid grasp of at least 50 new terms. Now, let's focus on reading and writing skills. Allocate around 2 hours to practice reading comprehension with diverse text types, such as articles or short stories, focusing on main ideas and inferences. For writing, outline essay structures for various prompts, ensuring you understand introductions, body paragraphs, and conclusions. Try writing one complete practice essay, or at least a few strong paragraphs, to apply your knowledge and refine your expression under timed conditions. Finally, it's time for your last review and to prepare your mindset. Remember to take short, 10-minute breaks every hour to prevent mental fatigue and maintain sharp focus. Spend the last 60 minutes quickly skimming through all your notes and key concepts, reinforcing what you've learned. Most importantly, stay calm and confident. Trust in the focused effort you've put in during this one day and approach your exam with a positive attitude.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.